Hello, you lovely people. How is everyone doing? As I promised in my last vlog, I have got some my vlogging equipments, which is nothing but an action camera, Insta360. So what I'm going to do now is unbox this, show you the magic, what is inside. Alright, let's see what is inside. This is an extra that I ordered, a dive case. Looks really nice. And this is the ultimate kit that I ordered. Alright, this is Insta360 Ultimate Kit. And this box has got 3 lenses, and it was a great deal that I found online in Insta360 store. So in this box you have 1-inch wide angle, a dual-inch 360 mod camera, and one core which has got a small screen, obviously, one extra battery base which connects your mods together, one mounting bracket, one invisible selfie stick, one lens cap, one micro SD memory card of 32 GB. It can go up to 512 GB micro SD memory card that it can support, and one charging cable. Okay, and this is exclusively made for iPhone, iPad and Android, so you can download this application and customize it. I will be showing in my further vlogs how I am customizing these videos and how I am editing it, what are the different action features that it has. Overall, the boxing, it looks amazing. So 3 lenses all together. So let's see what's inside the baby. Welcome back to the channel. As we did a quick unboxing, I have taken my Insta360 out for a spin. The steady state of this camera looks good. That's what I have seen in my review, but I'm going to stress it out completely. And as you can see, I'm actually walking and the weather is really lovely. Yeah, and I have put one of my mod, the main mod, as a selfie mod. I can see what I'm shooting, and as you can see from the back, the One R, it's a wide angle, captures the vicinity end to end. Oh, it's good, amazing. So I'm at the edge of the water, and as you can see, it has got a wide angle and it's capturing the vicinity from my left hand side, the extreme building, to the extreme right of the docklands. This has got a good features of as Insta360 One R. What I'll be testing next is the 360 features with Invisible Stick. So stay tuned, keep watching. Where did I buy this from? So it's in the description box, but to be specific, if you go to insta360.com, store.insta360.com, and it won't be visible from here, but I'll give you the description box. In the description box you'll find the link. So from a pricing perspective, this ultimate kit, right, with an extra battery piece, without the mic piece, the mic piece is extra, so all this together costed me $1,179.98 Australian dollars, which includes shipping, which is a FedEx shipping that comes in 5 days, express delivery. All right, so my extra dive box, that costed me 99.99 AUD, close to $100. And the mic piece is, where's the mic piece? Yep, here we go. The mic piece is $16, I think. So this is the basic mic piece that you can connect over here. So yeah, so 3 batteries, 3 lenses, invisible selfie stick, and a holder, some knobs, some lenses, all together costing around 1179 AUD. Is not bad at all. So there are some gifts going on right now in the site, so you can buy your 20-gram Steadicam as well. I will show you and share you the link. The link is already in the description box. So if you have watched this video till now, please hit the like button, because some of the cool vlogs are now going to be captured in this Insta360. So why wait? Subscribe to the channel, like, and comment what else you would like to know about the coolest feature of Insta360. I will be vlogging it out in my upcoming sessions. So till then, peace out and keep listening to the music. DJ Antidote signing off.